Okay, students, now let's see the present perfect progressive tense. So it's showing progressive continuous is there and also imperfect. So the rule will be has been or have been with the present participle form of the verb, that is the ing form of the verb. So what is the rule used to express an action that began in the past and still continuing is likely to continue? Sometimes it also refers to an action which has just been completed. Okay. He has been waiting for you since 10 o'clock. Has been waiting. Has been waiting since 10 o'clock. I have been living here for the last 10 years. The child has been sleeping since morning. He has been talking for the last 2 years. Has been talking, has been sleeping, have been leaving, has been waiting. Where have you been? Where have you been all morning? She has been waiting for you? How long have you been sleeping? So all these tells about the action that is still in continuing form, which has started in the past and it is still continuing. So basically, it arises a confusion in the mind. Like perfect tense, also we read the same thing. Now also the same thing. Yes, it is true that both the things, the present perfect tense and the present perfect progressive tense, both has its impact in the present. The action was already started in the past, and it has its resultant. The impact is there in the present. Only difference is that we consider the present perfect as completed, so it has its impact, but present perfect tells about the action that has finished, and present perfect progressive tells about it is continuing form. It is in the continuing form. This is the only difference. So we have covered all the four types: present simple tense, present continuous tense of the progressive tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect progressive tense. All the four types of the present tense is over. I hope you all are clear. When we go through the practice questions, even it will be further clear to you all. Okay. So thank you all.